Fluorescent sign lights are commonly used in commercial applications such as storefronts and gas stations, designed to illuminate signs effectively. The fixtures typically feature remote-mounted ballasts. The reflector is often C-shaped with a Plexiglas cover. Common lengths available are 6 feet and 8 feet. They usually are 2-lamp high-output type fixtures. Several manufacturers provide these types of lighting solutions. Alliance Lighting is one manufacturer that offers strip lights and wall washers. Their linear fluorescent options may include sign lighting solutions. You can explore their exterior fixtures for suitable product. Kennel provides a range of architectural lighting. Their linear fluorescent troughers could be adapted for sign lighting purposes. Latron specializes in lighting control systems. They also offer light-emitting diode troughers, which can be an alternative to fluorescent fixtures. Consider these light-emitting diode options for energy efficiency. Philips offers a comprehensive range of lighting solutions. They have fluorescent fixture modernization options, including troughers. Centec is another manufacturer that offers extruded aluminum fluorescent strip lights. These are specifically designed for sign lighting applications. When selecting a fluorescent sign light, there are several specifications to consider. Firstly, the fixtures typically have remote-mounted ballasts, which can be located separately from the lighting fixture itself. Secondly, the reflector is often C-shaped, which helps to direct the light more efficiently onto the sign. The C-shape maximizes light output and provides even illumination. Thirdly, the fixtures are often covered with Plexiglas to protect the lamps from the elements and to diffuse the light. Plexiglas is a durable and weather-resistant material. Fourthly, the fixtures are available in 6-foot and 8-foot lengths to accommodate different sign sizes. Fifthly, the fixtures are typically designed to hold 2 high-output lamps, which provide bright and uniform illumination. Additional considerations include checking with your local electrical distributor for availability and pricing. They can provide the most up-to-date information on product availability and cost. Consider whether you need weather-resistant fixtures for outdoor applications. Outdoor fixtures must be designed to withstand the elements. Make sure to consult a qualified electrician for proper installation and wiring. Proper wiring is essential for safety and performance. These fixtures are typically used for commercial applications, such as storefronts, gas stations, and other signs. These commercial-grade fixtures are designed for durability and longevity. When installing fluorescent sign lights, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the power supply before working on any electrical components. Ensure that the wiring is properly grounded to prevent electrical shocks. Use appropriately rated connectors and wiring for the voltage and current requirements of the fixtures. Follow all local electrical codes and regulations. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. Proper installation is essential for safety and performance. In addition to safety, proper maintenance is also important for ensuring the longevity of your fluorescent sign lights. Regularly inspect the fixtures for any signs of damage, such as cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. Replace any damaged components promptly. Keep the fixtures clean to ensure optimal light output. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the reflector and Plexiglas cover, reducing the amount of light that reaches the sign. Clean the fixtures with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the finish. Periodically check the ballasts to ensure that they are functioning properly. Ballasts are responsible for providing the correct voltage and current to the lamps. If a ballast fails, the lamps will not light up or may flicker. Replace any faulty ballasts immediately. Consider upgrading to light-emitting diode fixtures as an energy-efficient alternative. Light-emitting diodes consume less energy and have a longer lifespan than fluorescent lamps. Light-emitting diode fixtures are also more durable and require less maintenance. When selecting light-emitting diode fixtures, make sure to choose ones that are specifically designed for sign lighting applications. Light-emitting diode fixtures are available in a variety of colors and brightness levels. Consider the color and brightness of the light when selecting light-emitting diode fixtures. The color of the light can affect the appearance of the sign. The brightness of the light can affect the visibility of the sign. Choose light-emitting diode fixtures that provide the desired color and brightness. In conclusion, fluorescent sign lights are a cost-effective and reliable way to illuminate signs. When selecting fluorescent sign lights, there are several factors to consider, including the type of fixture, the size of the fixture, the number of lamps, and the type of ballast. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for ensuring the safety and longevity of fluorescent sign lights. Consider upgrading to light-emitting diode fixtures as an energy-efficient alternative. Consulting with a qualified electrician can help ensure that you select and install the appropriate lighting for your specific needs. Remember to prioritize safety when working with electrical components. Always disconnect the power supply before performing any maintenance or repairs. Use appropriately rated connectors and wiring. Follow all local electrical codes and regulations. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your fluorescent sign lights provide reliable and effective illumination for many years to come. Moreover, be mindful of the environmental impact of your lighting choices. Fluorescent lamps contain mercury, which is a hazardous substance. When disposing of fluorescent lamps, be sure to recycle them properly to prevent mercury from entering the environment. Light-emitting diode lamps do not contain mercury and are more environmentally friendly. Consider the long-term cost savings of light-emitting diode lighting. While light-emitting diode fixtures may have a higher initial cost, they consume less energy and have a longer lifespan than fluorescent lamps. Over time, the energy savings and reduced maintenance costs can offset the higher initial cost. Perform a cost-benefit analysis to determine whether light-emitting diode lighting is the right choice for your specific needs. The analysis should take into account the initial cost, the energy consumption, the maintenance costs, and the lifespan of the fixtures. By carefully considering all of these factors, you can make an informed decision about which type of lighting is best for your sign. When selecting a manufacturer of fluorescent sign lights, consider their reputation, their experience, and their warranty. Choose a manufacturer that has a proven track record of producing high-quality product. Look for a manufacturer that offers a comprehensive warranty to protect against defects in materials and workmanship. Before making a purchase, read online reviews and testimonials to see what other customers have to say about the manufacturer's products. Choose a manufacturer that has a good reputation for customer service and support. By taking the time to research different manufacturers, you can increase your chances of finding a reliable and reputable supplier of fluorescent sign lights. Be sure to compare prices from different manufacturers before making a purchase. Prices can vary significantly depending on the brand, the features, and the quality of the product. Get quotes from multiple suppliers to ensure that you are getting the best possible price. Consider purchasing in bulk to save money on large projects. Negotiate with suppliers to get the best possible deal. By shopping around and comparing prices, you can save money on your fluorescent sign lights. In addition to the factors already mentioned, consider the aesthetics of the lighting fixtures. The lighting fixtures should complement the design of the sign and the overall appearance of the building. Choose fixtures that are visually appealing and that blend in with the surrounding environment. The color and style of the fixtures can affect the overall impression that the sign makes. Select fixtures that enhance the visibility and attractiveness of the sign. By paying attention to the aesthetics of the lighting fixtures, you can create a sign that is both functional and visually appealing. Remember that the primary purpose of sign lighting is to make the sign visible and legible, especially at night. The lighting should be bright enough to illuminate the sign without being so bright that it is distracting or annoying. The lighting should be evenly distributed across the sign to avoid shadows or dark spots. The lighting should be angled correctly to prevent glare. By carefully considering these factors, you can ensure that your sign lighting is effective and efficient. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance. Improper installation or maintenance can damage the fixtures, reduce their lifespan, and create a safety hazard. If you are not comfortable performing the installation or maintenance yourself, hire a qualified electrician to do the work. Following the manufacturer's instructions will help to ensure that your sign lighting operates safely and reliably for many years to come. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs. These records can be helpful for troubleshooting problems and for tracking the performance of the lighting fixtures. The records should include the date of the maintenance or repair, the type of work performed, and the parts that were replaced. By keeping accurate records, you can better manage your sign lighting and prevent future problems. Consider using a lighting control system to automate the operation of your sign lighting. A lighting control system can turn the lights on and off automatically, adjust the brightness of the lights, and monitor the energy consumption. A lighting control system can save you time and money by reducing energy consumption and extending the lifespan of the lighting fixtures. There are many different types of lighting control systems available, so choose one that meets your specific needs. Regularly inspect the sign and the surrounding area for any potential hazards. These hazards may include overgrown trees, broken glass, or damaged wiring. Take steps to eliminate these hazards to prevent accidents and injuries. A well-maintained sign is not only more visually appealing, but it is also safer for the public. Be aware of any local ordinances or regulations that may affect your sign lighting. These ordinances may regulate the brightness of the lights, the hours of operation, and the types of fixtures that are allowed. Comply with all local ordinances and regulations to avoid fines or penalties. Contact your local government to learn more about the regulations that apply to your sign lighting. By following these tips, you can ensure that your fluorescent sign lights provide reliable, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing illumination for many years to come. Sign lighting is an important investment, so take the time to do it right.